Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today we're diving into 25 mistakes you commonly make while cleaning your house. Stick around to find out how to clean smarter, not harder, and make your home a sanctuary of peace and order. But before we start, give us a thumbs up, free subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Have you ever noticed streaks or a sticky residue left behind even after cleaning? Using too much cleaning product doesn't necessarily mean a cleaner home. When we use more cleaner than needed, it doesn't all rinse away cleanly. Instead, it leaves behind a sticky residue that actually attracts and traps dirt, dust, and grime. Our cleaning tools are like loyal helpers, always there to tackle messes. But just like any helper, they need care and attention to perform their best. Dirty mops, sponges, and cloths can harbor bacteria and spread germs throughout your home, undoing all your hard work. Make sure to launder your dirty mop heads, sponges, and cloths after each use so they're clean and ready to go the next time you need them. What do you touch most often in your home or office? Doorknobs, light switches, and other commonly used items like remote controls? These high-touch surfaces are often overlooked in our daily cleaning routine. But just like a frequently used drawer handle, they accumulate dirt, grime, and germs at an alarming rate. Taking a moment to wipe them down regularly can make a big difference in maintaining a truly clean and healthy home environment. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in ensuring that these secret dirt magnets don't compromise your hygiene and well-being. Using the same cleaning cloth to wipe down multiple surfaces can actually spread germs and dirt instead of eliminating them. Each area of our home has its own unique needs, and using separate cloths for each helps maintain cleanliness and order. Each product is carefully formulated to work its magic in specific ways. Take a moment to read and understand the directions. It's a small step that can make a world of difference in your cleaning routine. Natural light is beautiful, but when it comes to cleaning windows, the sun can be a bit of a troublemaker. For a streak-free shine, opt for a cloudy day or clean your windows in the evening when the sun is less intense. It's easy to forget about the spaces we don't see every day. The areas behind our appliances can become hidden havens for dust bunnies, crumbs, and grime. Pulling out your refrigerator, oven, and washing machine a couple of times a year allows you to address these neglected areas and restore balance to your home. Selecting the correct vacuum setting for different surfaces is crucial for effective cleaning. Delicate rugs require a gentler touch, while hard floors benefit from stronger suction. Take a moment to adjust your vacuum settings. It's a small act of mindfulness that yields big results. Think of dusting and vacuuming as a cleaning duet, working together in perfect harmony. Dusting first lifts and removes dust particles from surfaces. Then vacuuming acts as a gentle whirlwind, whisking away any remaining dust and debris. Baseboards, often overlooked and underappreciated, silently collect dust and grime like loyal guardians of our walls. Taking the time to regularly clean your baseboards can make a surprising difference in the overall cleanliness of your home. It's like adding the finishing touches to a beautifully wrapped gift, a small detail that elevates the entire experience. Our sponges, those trusty cleaning companions, work tirelessly to tackle messes. But their porous nature, while great for absorbing spills, also makes them a breeding ground for bacteria. Regularly sanitizing or replacing your sponges is essential for maintaining a hygienic cleaning routine and preventing the spread of germs. Just as our homes need fresh air to thrive, our vacuums need clean filters to function at their best. A clogged filter restricts airflow, reducing your vacuum's suction power and making it work harder than it needs to. Regularly cleaning or replacing your vacuum filter ensures optimal performance and extends the life of your appliance. Wood floors, with their natural beauty and warmth, bring a sense of serenity to our homes. Using too much water when cleaning can seep into the wood, causing warping and damage over time. A slightly damp mop is all you need to effectively clean your wood floors while preserving their natural beauty. Our dishwashers, those tireless kitchen helpers, deserve just as much attention as our plates and silverware. Over time, food particles, grease, and mineral deposits can build up inside the dishwasher, affecting its performance and leaving dishes less than sparkling. Regularly cleaning your dishwasher ensures it continues to work its magic, leaving your dishes sparkling clean. Washing machines, while designed to clean our clothes, can ironically become breeding grounds for mold and mildew if not properly maintained. The warm, damp environment inside the washer, combined with detergent residue, creates the perfect conditions for these unwelcome guests to thrive. Regularly cleaning your washing machine ensures a fresh and hygienic laundry experience. Our electronic devices, from phones to laptops to televisions, have become extensions of ourselves, connecting us to the world and enhancing our lives. Using harsh cleaners on their sensitive surfaces can damage the finish and impair their functionality. It's like using sandpaper to clean a delicate glass figurine. Not a good idea. Ceiling fans, those silent guardians of airflow, often go unnoticed as they quietly circulate air throughout our homes. But just like any surface exposed to dust and debris, ceiling fan blades can accumulate a surprising amount of grime. Regularly cleaning your ceiling fan blades ensures clean, dust-free air circulation. The areas under our furniture can become forgotten realms, hidden from our daily view. These spaces hold their own secrets, namely dust bunnies, crumbs, and forgotten treasures. Regularly moving furniture and vacuuming underneath not only banishes dust, but also allows you to rediscover any long-lost items. Just as we wouldn't use a scrub brush on a delicate silk blouse, we should choose cleaning products carefully for delicate surfaces in our homes. Abrasive cleaners, while effective on tough messes, can scratch and dull delicate finishes, diminishing their beauty. Opt for gentle cleaners specifically designed for delicate surfaces to preserve their elegance and shine. Air vents, those often overlooked openings in our walls and ceilings, play a vital role in regulating our home's airflow and temperature. They help maintain a comfortable living environment by ensuring that air circulates properly throughout the house. But just like any surface exposed to air currents, they can accumulate dust and debris over time, hindering their efficiency and potentially affecting our indoor air quality. This buildup can lead to respiratory issues and allergies if not addressed. Regularly cleaning your air vents ensures optimal airflow and a healthier home environment. By incorporating this simple task into your cleaning routine, you can improve the efficiency of your HVAC system and promote better health for your family. Our garbage disposals, those workhorses of the kitchen sink, diligently grind up food scraps, preventing clogs and keeping our kitchens running smoothly. But over time, food particles can build up inside the disposal, creating unpleasant odors that permeate the air. Regularly cleaning your garbage disposal neutralizes odors and keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. Different areas of our homes require different cleaning approaches, and using separate mops for different areas helps maintain a sanitary and organized cleaning routine. Shower curtains, those seemingly simple barriers between our showers and bathroom floors, often go unnoticed as they faithfully protect our floors from water damage. Regularly cleaning your shower curtain prevents the buildup of mold and mildew, maintaining a fresh and hygienic bathroom environment. Regularly cleaning the tops of your cabinets not only removes unsightly buildup, but also prevents dust from resettling onto other surfaces. Light fixtures, those beacons of illumination in our homes, often go unnoticed as they faithfully brighten our surroundings. Regularly cleaning your light fixtures ensures they shine brightly and enhance your decor. Thanks for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to join us today. I hope these tips inspire you to approach cleaning with a renewed sense of purpose and joy. Remember, a clean home is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space where you can relax and feel at peace. By incorporating these simple yet effective cleaning practices into your routine, you can transform your home into a sanctuary of order and tranquility. A well-organized home can significantly improve your overall well-being and productivity. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning hacks and home improvement tips. Your support means the world to us. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting content.